Okay, editing text, which is something you're going to be doing a lot of, no doubt. So I've got a blank page here, and I add a new column. A new column, one column container, which includes my text element, which I can click on, and away I go. This is my new headline. Okay, so you just type away and edit it. Across the top here, you've got some text element icons, which can center it, write it, blah, 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 all the usual bits and pieces you get when you're editing text. Down the side is your config bar. So if I want to change the text color, click on text color box, and as I move around, I can see the color changing of my font. So let's make it a sort of an orange. Down here, I'll move it down the screen a bit, increase the font size. Let's create well, that'll do. And I can increase the space at the top and bottom, left and right. I'll come on to that in a second. If I want to put a second colour in here, it's no problem, because if I bold something, let's make new capitals and bold it. When I click on it now, I can also change the bold colour. So I can change that to green. That'll do. So what else I can do, this is pretty much the same on all elements actually. I can change the border, so let's just put a border in, make it a blue border. I can then change the sizes of it if I want to. Let's make it an application type window looking border, for example. And then I can click on more and I can change the background color. So let's make it put a blue, and I'll make it slightly opaque as well. There we go, and maybe I'll add a bit of text shadow as well. So that's text elements. Across the top, again with all elements, you can duplicate it. You can add advanced designs, so it is delayed visibility, so it'll appear after X amount of time, and you can add various animation type things, so when it appears on the screen it will do fancy stuff, slide in, slide out, and all the rest of it. And then you can choose whether it appears on mobile, desktop, or whatever. I'll use a separate video on responsive designs on that because it gets a bit more detailed, and delete obviously deletes it. And that's your text elements. Away you go.